Meaning of fiberboard.
Fibreboard.
Fiberboard.
Fiberboard.
Fiberboard. Fiberboard is a type of engineered wood product made from wood fibers, often combined with resin and wax. The fibers are compressed and formed into sheets using high-pressure machinery. Fiberboard can be further categorized into types such as medium-density fiberboard, MDF, and hardboard. It is commonly used in furniture, cabinetry, and construction applications due to its affordability and versatility. However, it has lower strength and durability compared to solid wood products. Overall, fiberboard is an important material in the construction and manufacturing industries due to its cost-effectiveness and ease of use.